Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to log out your TikTok account from other devices and remove any device that you no longer use. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Having the latest version ensures that all settings are available and working correctly. Once TikTok is updated, open the app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Security and Permissions. Here, look for the option called Devices or Manage Devices and tap on it. You will now see a list of all devices currently logged into your TikTok account. Review the list carefully and find any device that you don't recognize or no longer use. To remove a device, simply tap on it and select Remove or Log Out. Once removed, that device will no longer have access to your TikTok account. For extra security, consider changing your password after removing unknown devices. And that's it. You've successfully logged out your TikTok account from other devices. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.